Hi everyone, today's headlines. Sputnik 5 vaccine to undergo late-stage clinical trials in India. Kohima qualifies for Stage 2 of ISCA award. Dimapur police nabbed 2. Security forces apprehend 2 NSCN IM cadres in Dimapur. Nagaland records 112 new COVID positive cases and 91 recoveries on October 16. Delhi's air quality remains poor. Armenian missile killed 13, wounded over 50. Delhi Capitals lead points table with 5-wicket win over CSK. ANCSU calls of indefinite digital protest. Prime Minister reviews COVID-19 situation. News in details. Sputnik 5 vaccine to undergo late-stage clinical trials in India. After the Indian drug regulator turned down Dr. Reddy's Laboratory Limited proposal earlier this month to conduct direct phase 3 human trials for the Russian COVID-19 vaccine Sputnik 5, the company and Russian sovereign wealth Russian Direct Investment Fund have now received the Drug Control General of India note to conduct an adaptive phase 2 or 3 human clinical trial for the Russian vaccine in India. Kohima qualifies for Stage 2 of ISCA award. 2 cities from the northeast, Kohima Smart City Project and Agartala Smart City Project, have qualified for the Stage 2 of the Indian Smart Cities Award Contest 2020. Informing this in the press note, CEO Kohima Smart City Development Limited Kovi Mayese said, with this feat, KSCDL was hopeful that Kohima Smart City Project will continue to move towards achieving further sustainable development goals and towards making Kohima a more livable city. Dimapur police nabbed 2. Dimapur police with the assistance of Kohima police arrested 2 persons, Sunnyboy Ziliang and Bokavi Zimo, on criminal charges of hijacking a goods-laden vehicle. According to ADCP and PRO, the arrested individuals have waylaid a Tata mobile vehicle at Pipema area in the early hours of October 16 after overpowering the driver. Meanwhile, the vehicle along with arrested person was subsequently intercepted at Kuzama checkgate. A case has been registered at Medzifema police station. Security forces apprehend 2 NSCN IM cadres in Dimapur. Security forces in an operation on Friday, October 16, 2020, apprehended 2 NSCN IM cadres involved in suspicious activities near Dansuri in Dimapur. Assam Rifles PRO HQ IGAR North informed that the security forces launched an operation based on specific input and apprehended 2 cadres involved in suspicious activities in the area. Nagaland records 112 new COVID positive cases and 91 recoveries on October 16. Nagaland reported 112 new COVID positive cases on Friday, October 16, 2020, taking the total count in the state to 7,604, updated Nagaland Health Minister S. Pangiform. Among the new cases detected, 64 cases were detected in Dimapur, 21 in Kohima, 20 in Mokuchung, 3 in Mon, 2 in Tunjang and 1 each in Peran and Longlang. Updated Pangnu. Active cases stands at 1,466. Delhi's air quality remains poor. The national capital's air quality was recorded in the poor category on Saturday and the share of the stubble burning in the city's PM 2.5 pollution stood at 19%, according to a central government agency. The share of stubble burning was 18% on Friday, around 1% on Wednesday and around 3% on Tuesday, Monday and Sunday. The city recorded a 24-hour average air quality index of 286. It was 239 on Friday and 315 on Thursday, the worst since February 12, when the AQI was 320. An AQI between 0 and 50 is considered good, 51 and 100 is satisfactory, 101 and 200 moderate, 201 and 300 poor, 301 and 400 very poor, and 401 and 500 severe. Armenian missile killed 13, wounded over 50. Azerbaijan on Saturday accused Armenia of striking its second largest city with a ballistic missile that killed at least 13 civilians and wounded 50 others in a new escalation of their conflict over Nagorno-Karabakh. The Armenian Defense Ministry denied launching the strike, but the separatist authorities in Nagorno-Karabakh put out a statement listing alleged legitimate military facilities in the city of Gaza. Although they stopped short of claiming responsibility for the attack. Delhi Capitals lead points table with 5-wicket win over CSK. Spared by the fielders a number of times, opener Shikhar Dhawan 101 hits his maiden IPL 100, while Azhar Patel pulled off 3 sixes in the final over as Delhi Capitals moved to the top of the table with a tense 5-wicket win over Chennai Super Kings here on Saturday. Dropped on 25 and 79, apart from surviving a half chance and a run-out opportunity, Dhawan made full use of the leaves given to him to raise his best IPL knock as the Capitals overhauled a stiff 180-run target with 1 to spare. ANCSU calls off indefinite digital protest. All Nagaland College Students Union Saturday called off its indefinite digital protest after state government notified setting up of a 3-member inquiry committee to look into the execution of works under the funding of AICTE NEQIP scheme 2013 and 14 to 2015 and 16 implemented in the Kelhoshe Polytechnic Atoizu. The scheme was funded by AICTE New Delhi for strengthening of institution in terms of infrastructure and quality of teaching, research and consultancy, improved learning outcomes and employability of students. The fund was received by the institute in installment during 2013 to 14 to 2015 to 16. Of a total of rupees 3,71,60,000. The amount was directly transferred to the beneficiary institute. Prime Minister reviews COVID-19 situation, calling for full preparedness to ensure speedy access to COVID-19 vaccines for every citizen. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday suggested developing a vaccine delivery system on the lines of conduct of polls and disaster management while involving all levels of government and citizens group. Chairing a meeting to review the COVID-19 pandemic situation and the preparedness of vaccine delivery, distribution and administration, the Prime Minister also noted a steady decline in the daily cases and the growth rate. At the same time, he also cautioned against any complacency at the decline and called for keeping up the efforts to contain the pandemic. That's all for now. To get such latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.